Okay, so here's assignment problem using Excel, and I just paste and copy the slide so that you can understand it better. We have the variables x11, x12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. So I just enter these variables here, and variable is changing over there, and coefficients are given here, the price of that, 11, 14, and so forth. So I enter those coefficient there, and the function, as we have learned before, I use some product function and selected this row and then the other row. And I came to constraints. I have Adams supply, that's all 1, and 111 equals 1, and Brown supply and Cooper supply, and the demand supply, project 1 demand is 1 and 1 and 1. So if you need like more than one person, then you can change it before, but this is the straightforward setting we have, and you run it and you will be able to find the answer. So let's go to Excel solver together and go to data, and Excel solver, and we have to enter the data. L7 is there, L4 to T4 are changing, and uh, um, the functions are given there, but I don't have as many. I have only six of them, so I'm going to delete these two, and we have to change the sign to equal sign, right? To change that to equal sign, and that one has to change to equal sign, right? And then check if everything is okay. So Adam supply I12 to W12 and so forth are good, and this is simplest method. Solve. It's solving, and answer and sensitivity analysis. So we have that answer there, right? So the answer is that we are going to hire 1-3. So 1-3 Adams is going to work for project 3, and 2-2 Brown for project 2, and 3-1 Cooper to project 1. So that's the optimal setting, and that's what we have found under these constraints. If you look at the sensitivity analysis, you see that shadow price for the supply, and here is supply and demand. So meaning that if you increase a supply of atoms by 1, the shadow price increases by $6 only. Brown, if Brown's work one more time, if he's available, then it's only $2. And Cooper works for one more project, then it's going to be $4, right? So that's given here. So we see that there are various options available. Looking at shadow price, we see that happening. But at this point, the constraint is that there's only one atom, and he cannot work twice or three times or 1.5 times. So that's a constraint that we see.